Bonjour, do you know how to say extraordinary or crazy or weird in French? Well, in today's lesson, I'm going to teach you how to use 50 adjectives to describe people. As always, if you want the guide for this lesson, it's absolutely possible. Just join my community at Learn French, the YouTube channel, and have a look at learnfrench.com, the awesome website. Okay, I think this list is really useful, especially when you come to describing a person and their personality. So what I've done, I've put them in alphabetical order, but I've given you a synonym to that word as well. For example, agaçant ou agaçante, the synonym of it is embêtant ou embêtante, and that means annoying. Now, bear in mind that I'm giving you the adjective as a masculine first and then a feminine version of that adjective. So here we go. Bête. That means stupid. If you had a synonym for this word bête, you could say stupide. Quite simply, stupid. It's the same for the feminine and the masculine because it has an E already at the end. Let's have a look at the next one. Bizarre. Il est bizarre. Now, if you wanted a synonym to that, you could say étrange, étrange, and that means weird. Courageux ou courageuse, and that means brave. You could also say brave in French, brave. Difficile, that means difficult or hard. Difficile, but a synonym to that could be dur, with an E or without an E, depending on whether the word is feminine or masculine, and that means hard. Drôle, that's funny, drôle, and a synonym to that could be amusant ou amusante, and that means funny. Élégant ou élégante, the synonym to that could be séduisant ou séduisante, and that means elegant. Extravagant, extravagant. So it's eccentric or extravagante. The synonym to that could be farfelu. Farfelu. You just add an E when you refer to a feminine noun, and that means eccentric. Ennuyeux ou ennuyeuse. That's boring. The synonym to that could be barbant ou barbante. Extraordinaire, extraordinaire. And that means extraordinary or amazing. A synonym to extraordinaire could be sublime, sublime. Fainéant, fainéant ou fainéante. And that means lazy. A synonym to this could be paresseux ou paresseuse, and that means lazy too. Fort ou forte, and that means strong. So a synonym to this could be robuste, robuste. Gentil ou gentille, double L-E for the feminine. A synonym to this would be sympa, and that means nice. Sympa ou sympathique, you could say. Nice. Grossier ou grossière, and that means being rude or impolite. Rude. Grossier ou grossière, the synonym could be impoli, with or without an E, and that means rude. Heureux ou heureuse, that means happy. Can you think of a synonym for this? Content ou contente, that's the synonym of heureux. Fidèle, fidèle, and that means loyal. The synonym for this could be loyal, 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 fidèle or faithful as well. Fou or folle, and that means mad. Fou or folle. But can you think of a synonym for fou or folle? That's right, dérangé. Dérangé with an E or without, and that means mad or crazy. Laid ou laide, and that means ugly. A synonym to that word could be moche. Moche, and that means ugly, though it is more colloquial. Orgueilleux ou orgueilleuse. The synonym of this could be fier. Fier with an E, and that means proud, okay? Proud. Peureux ou peureuse, and that means fearful. Can you think of a synonym for that? Craintif ou craintive, and that means fearful. Sévère. So when someone is described as sévère, it means strict, strict or harsh. So the synonym of sévère could be strict. Strict, quite simply. Strict. Terrible. Terrible, and that means terrible or bad. So a synonym to that could be mauvais. Bad. Mauvais. Têtu. Têtu, and that means stubborn. Têtu, with or without an E, depending on whether you relate to a boy or girl, for example. The synonym to stubborn, têtu, is borné. Borné, with or without an E. Timide. Timid, and as shy. Another word for timid could be réservé. Réservé, with or without an E. And that is shy. And to finish, vaniteux ou vaniteuse. And that means pretentious. So the synonym for vaniteux ou vaniteuse is prétentieux ou prétentieuse. That's it for me. Why don't you practice this list of words using the quiz available for you? Have a look at the PDF, the support guide available for this as well. It's very useful.